Here will be a modded Otis traction lift at Savoir Faire in Milton. Take a look at the sensors before we go anyway. Panachrome C3540. With Panachrome sensors, with C3540s are with long beams and the C3510 are with short beams. So 4, 3, 2, 1, ground. Ground is as high as we can go.
Ground. Lower.
Now, I'll try and get access to the other levels. It's the weekend, so everything is locked. See if we can get access. We're up on the next level. No. It's alright though. Try this door. That's okay. Oh well. Well, so ground is as high as we go for today. We'll do another ride. Oh man. Oh.
Going down.
We'll end the video on B. And there it goes. That's it.